Hi everybody, it's Debbie here. I'm here to show you my latest design team project for Artzology. That's Deb, and she's on Etsy. And I've used her fun Christmas kit, which I have to say was a lot of fun. This kit is so cute. Children would love working with this, honestly, but I had a great time too. What I've done is I've made 16 mini journals that I'm going to be giving as gifts this Christmas, and I won't go through all of them, obviously, because they are pretty much all the same. So let me just push these up and out of the way so that I can show you. Okay, let's pick this little guy. Isn't he so cute? Winter Woodlands. I've added stickers and pom-poms and different Christmas items that I've had in my stash for a long time. So this was a great way for me to use all those up. Every one of them has a little dangle charm on it. One side has 3 little jingle bells that actually jingle, and the other one has a Christmas charm with a made with love charm. This one's a snowflake. And I've done layering. I've used paper bags, lunch bags. I think everybody has done mini journals with lunch bags before. And Christmas ribbon that I've had again for ages. So I was able to use up a lot of the ribbon. I did a pamphlet stitch for the one signature that is in the books, just using Christmas ribbon, and that is the continuation of, I made it so that the ribbons came to the outside instead of normally they're on the inside, and that way I could hang charms from them. So inside, the front page has a tuck spot with some stickers on it, and these are all papers from the kit. This kit is huge. It's got so many papers, and it's got file folders. This tag is just some I had in my stash. It's got little envelopes. The envelopes come in 2 sizes. So do the file folders. They come in 2 different sizes as well. And then I made some tags, did some layering and some sewing. The tags I made out of some cardstock that I had, white as well as green and red, and then the pages that come with the kit. I've shrunk everything down, obviously, because I'm doing mini journals, but the kit comes where you can make a regular size journal. And then this page you can use as a photo mat. It's got a bling bow here that I added stickles to. And then this page has another tuck spot, the snowman, and a tag. I've used a glassine envelope and made a tag out of white cardstock and paper from the kit. A lot of times I've just used paper from the kit to make tags, and it comes with a lot of tags. So this is one of the pages in the kit. I've added this sticker snowman here. I believe I've used this page as the front page for every journal. All the pages in here are from the kit, and then I've included a few blank ones. There's a glassine bag in every one of them with a sewn tag. There's a couple of hidden paper clips, and these squares are in the kit as well. Oh, and there's another size envelope. Come on. Did he get stuck in there? Did I glue it down? I need to wait till it dries. Okay, I'll have to fix that. And there's the middle with another paper clip. And this is a mini file folder. They're cute. I didn't do any distressing or dyeing of the papers or anything. I didn't think the kit needed it, and it would have taken me twice as long. I have some Christmas washi tape that I used on the bag to reinforce the end. And then the back page of the bag has another tuck spot with some more tags. And then in here, which is, you get a pocket after you glue down the sides of the base of the bag. And I just included a couple skinny tags there. A lot of stickers, like I said. And that's it. So that is the mini journals. Nothing too fancy, but I think they'll make a cute little something special for family and friends and whoever I decide to give these to. So I'm not going to, like I said, I'm not going to go through all of them because they are all the same inside, just the papers are different, the charms are a bit different. This one has an angel, this one's a reindeer. The stickers are different. This guy's got a Santa hat. But aren't they adorable? Oh, and this is the one I did backwards. I think what happened was when I was closing it up, when I was putting it on, I put them on upside down, so I had to fix that by putting the charm on this side so I could sew the signature in on this side. But it worked. I think it's still fine. What is it they say? No mistakes in crafting. Just opportunity for new creations. Aren't they adorable? Just love them. I hope the people that are getting them are going to like them. They're perfect for purse size or just to have sitting on your desk. So those are my mini journals for Christmas for the October design team project for Deb at Artzology, like I said, and I will have the link to this fun Christmas kit down below. I hope you check it out. These would make great Christmas cards for kids. Kids would love playing with this kit. I have loved playing with it. So I will let you go. I hope you have a wonderful day, and we will talk to you soon. Bye for now.